Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day. This is Mr. Guzman, and I will guide you to today's lesson. Mood meter check-in. How are you feeling today? I am feeling very happy. Let's begin with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. This week's core value is sweating the small stuff, getting things done no matter what. The Essential 55. Rule number 1. Respond to adults with yes ma'am or no sir. Let's review. Remember, always respond with yes ma'am or no sir. Sweating the small stuff. Let's review the days of the week. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, the weekend begins on Saturday and ends on Sunday. Today we are Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. Let's review the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and lastly, December. Social skills lesson of the week is making eye contact. Remember, when you're speaking to another person, regardless of the age, you always make eye contact. A reminder to everyone, please stay active. Go out and play. Use your energy, break a sweat, have some fun. Today's agenda is reading. Today, we will read our stories and answer the questions after. And lastly, teacher contact information. Let's have a wonderful day today, peacocks.